What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to convert a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation in just a few easy steps. So first, simply open your browser and go to an online PDF to PPT converter like Adobe's Tools or any other trusted PDF converter. And once you're here, you can then upload the PDF you want to convert and wait for it to process. So most tools will automatically turn each page of the PDF into a slide. So once it's all done converting, you can then download the PowerPoint file straight to your computer. Then simply open it in Microsoft PowerPoint and review the slides to make sure everything looks right. You can also edit the text, adjust layouts, or add animations like any normal presentation. And that's it. So you've successfully converted a PDF into a PowerPoint file and you can actually start editing right away. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.